Hi, this is Bernard, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to edit our postcards in pet sitting niche. So I'm going to show you on how to edit the text to change or replace the background and edit the elements that it's in the postcard. So as you can see, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS2 because I want to show you guys that our postcards can be edited, or it will work on Adobe Photoshop CS2 versions. And if you have the latest version, that would be great. So let's get started with our tutorial. So I'm going to drop our PSD, and when you see this window appear, just click OK. And now we have our postcard here. Let's zoom it in. Okay, so first we're going to edit the text. So as you can see, we can actually edit all the texts, the numbers, call to actions, the words, and the title. Just double click on the text and sample headline. As you can see, it's very easy to edit text, and you can also play around with the settings of the effects for the text and all the elements. Just double click on the layer in the space here, and as you can see, we have our blending options, the layer style window, and you can use a drop shadow, you can add it, outer glow, and all the stuff that you can see here. As you can see, I'm using a gradient overlay color. You can also use color overlay as well for just choosing one color if you like. And you can also edit the gradient colors by clicking on this. And now you can add more colors to it just by clicking on the space, or remove it just by dragging, hold and drag, just like that. And now we can easily change the text or the effects, styles, the colors there. Just click OK when you're done. Yep, same as all the text here, just double click on those spaces just like that, and you can now have access to all the styles, and you can just play around all the settings here just like that, as you can see. Okay, so now we will replace the background. Let's delete our background, and I'm gonna show you on how to edit a background, just very easy. So for example, we have this background, so just drag it. If you're using CS2, it will open in a new window, but in the latest versions it will automatically just drop it in the canvas. So there, as you can see. But we need to resize our background by hitting Control T. This is just an example, okay, so background is not really appropriate for our niche. Now we want this background to be inside our frame, so we don't want to touch the border, the black outline. So what we're going to do is clip our image. So by clipping, just hold the Alt key and putting your cursor between these layers, and when you see this icon appears, just click, and now the image has clipped. Same as our white element here. Click on the layer, hold the Alt key, and just click, just like that. And you can change the color of that as well by double clicking on the thumbnail there. So you can see, you can change the color of that. And you can add more images to it just by dragging those images, just as, say for example this there. And we will now place this below. Oops, no, not there. There we go, just like that. Or we can flip that by hitting Control T, right click, and flip horizontal. There you go. You can add more images actually just by dragging and drop. Alright,